2 crooked thumbs up.
Hey, how's it going again, collectors? Today we're going to be checking out Spider-Man Miles Morales, premium format from Sideshow Collectables. I'm a little late to the party on this one. I think it's been out a couple of years, but I spotted it and I was kind of debating on it, and I decided to go ahead and pick it up. I liked it. Let's check out the art box real quick. This is a painting or rendition of the actual statue. You got Miles Morales. Face planting Ultimate Venom here, hitting him with that Heisman stiff arm. And you got the skyline pretty much all the way around the box. You got your number here, number 603 of 1,000. And your Miles Morales Spider-Man symbol on top. Good looking art box, not as big as most quarter scales, thank goodness. So that's pretty cool. Let's check out the statue. All right, here we have the disassembled pieces. First thing you notice, of course, is this Ultimate Venom. This thing is crazy. Look at the detail inside that mouth. That is creepy as hell. Wow. I mean, that looks real. Teeth, that looks like a damn snake. Like a python. There's a peg hole right there. That is beyond realistic. Very impressive. Put that down without breaking it. Here you just have other side pieces that connect to the Ultimate Venom head. Another side piece here. Here you have this disgusting long tongue. Also extremely detailed and disgusting and realistic. That is very, very cool. My counselor did not tell me that you could go to school to learn how to do this. I'm pretty upset about that. I don't know where that just came from, so I'll just sit it down here. And here you have Mr. Miles himself, the body. Sculpt looks very impressive. A lot of attention to detail. I wish he had came with the Jordans, but that's cool. Looks real good. Put him down. Oh, and I don't know if you noticed with his hand, one hand is actually sculpted into the nose there. So that's already on the Venom's big ugly face. Then they have an extra hand here, or the other hand. Pretty cool. And face or mask. Very nice. So I will put him together and we'll get some close-ups and check him out. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. I'm pretty happy with it. The detail on this Ultimate Venom is nuts. I wish it was just a little bit bigger, but I do understand they have to keep it to scale of the actual character. But anyway, thanks again for stopping by. We'll get some more content on as soon as possible. If you're first time stopping by, feel free to hit like and subscribe. No worries either way. And thanks again for checking my channel out. I'll see you again next time, very soon. Keep collecting and I'll keep doing the same. Peace.